Adrenye maka akwụ gbeze kemoji kela nweti oil and gas city anaka oil and gas zone ya adịrị eme ya adịrị ya kwa rounds ivi kable so azụ ya kwa denda ya ma bonye the highway tomorrow. The highway will be Nyakama yaze wala. Ya bibi ya kana za tinyo. Yelwago.
There is Joey. Afasini Almotrope and Zimitionu Mangia and Passam. This is the problem that we are facing. Even our communities who are fishing, we cannot put their canoe into the sea because of this risk. And it's on and on. So I'm therefore calling the Queen Mothers and the chiefs, the paramount queen, the paramount chiefs, and everybody, including all the authorities, NADMON, regional minister, MC, and co, all of them. And everybody who received this video should share it among the authorities so that they should come to our aid. That this problem is increasing on and on. And in fact, and even people even cannot even fish because of these risks. So I'm calling for the authorities to come. That is the risk. And even you cannot even see the sea. And that's what is going on in our coastal belt. So EPA, Governor of the Day, MCE, Regional Minister, all the radio stations should come and camera it and then send it to our various authorities. And this is what's happening. This is clear risk. It's on and on. On and on. On and on. This is from the coastal belt, from Afasini, Joey, Almotrope, Efesu, Mangia, up to Newtown. It's terrible. It's terrible. It's terrible. It's terrible.
This is Azim. Yampuano. Onyini. Yes, life in Azim. If you choose to be a fisherman, this is what you face. So why do you come to nzema? Azim ndre ne gwa yiple mo gwa kese zo ndre this Azim Azim ndre mo le kunz mama mo this is Azim en die ble mo gwa kese te anwa te hwe nyevin ndre ne me gwa kese la nyevin ndre me gwa environmental agencies na mobi mayen be do akeza even ndre na gwa akeza di bre me gwa kla tafi even ndre ne even ndre no gweke kali chi bi mo me ye ma greba gweke Azim community.
Nam se mun dale. Lo ko madam ya bura kwaro. Madam se ya bura kwaro. Mo te nya ewiani nya no a, eme. Ewiani nya no a. No you do. Ewiani nya no a. Ne ko ka nya so ye bi anake. Ah. Oh. Ewiani nya no a. Mo nya so nya gua ka mo ye so nya so nya la nya ma nya ewiani nya no a ye ewu de.
Ni ne lua. Lo to lua.
Na di ko ma izimo, di ko izimo. O de ewiani nya no a. Ewiani nya so, ewiani nya so. Ah. Oh, no. O yo ni gba se kura.
That's right.
Na be wo jige. Di ko ma ye za mo ba ya hola. Be ke ko be jige.
That's right.
O ke ko ba ya ho. O ba ya ho. Ika. Ka ko ba ya ho mo ngunu. Ka ngwe ba ya ho.
That's right. Brother and
Ma bu ya wo jige. O person kwa ba bu ya wo jige.
you can yell at Paris go pyramid.
Ewiani nya no a. Kwa mo dem nya so nya hu akeza. O ya ho de ki mo do wa ya ho. Ke mo ira ba ho ni bure ma ha nega. Oh, ewiani nya no Israel pa. Ah. Ewiani nya no Israel. Ewiani nya so, ime ye Israel. Oh, no. Aga no ko ba ni. Okay, disi ba ni aboko. Okay, kinya ma dia ye ya no pare.